Hello aspirants, this is Varun Kumar. Today we are going to learn about number system, and in the number system, in the previous video we thought about divisibility. In today's video we are going to learn about unit place. I will help you understand what is unit place and how it is going to work. Okay, now let's start the video. First we will understand the first four numbers, not first four numbers, only four numbers, which is easy. We'll go to easy to hard. Okay, first we will understand the four numbers, which is 0, 1, 5 and 6. In this number, if there is any unit digit place, let us know what is unit digit place. For example, 5. If they ask what is the unit digit place of 25 square is 625, right? 25 square is 625. First you must only focus on this number, last number, unit number. This last number you must focus. If the last digit ends with these numbers 0, 1, 5 and 6, so in the answer also it will be the 5. See, 5 ignore this 2. 25 into 25 is 625, so the last number is 5. Now let us keep another number, 15. Okay, and here 15, the last unit digit place is 5, so 15 is a 225. So the unit digit place of 15 to the power of 2 is 5. Okay, are you understanding? This is called as you can test it any number. Okay, now let us go with 10. Last number is 0. Okay, last number is 0. 10 tens are 100, so the unit place is 0. And next move to the 6. Okay, 6 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 3. 6 are 36. See, the last unit digit place is 6. Now let's move to the 6 to the power of 3, 6 cube. 6 are 36. 36 into 6 is equal to 216. See, these four numbers, if there is any these four numbers in the unit digit place, the one thing you have to remember is always it will end with the number itself. Okay, now let's move to some difficult question, which is, suppose this number is given 217,386 to the power of 6432. Suppose this number is given in the exam, what you will do, they'll tell you to find this number, find this unit digit place of this number. You can't go through you can't do it, because as it's very complex number. So what you do is, the answer is suppose 0, 3, 4, 6. 0, 2, 3, 6. Okay, they have given option these four options. If they ask this question, the last, we have to ignore this number. You have to see only last number. Last number is 6. I have teach you, if 0, 1, 5, 6 is last number, even the unit digit of this number will be 6. The answer will be 6. Okay, I hope you understand. If you didn't understand, you should rewind and watch that video. Okay, in the previous part we have learned about the 4 number. Now let's move to the next number, which is 4 and 9. In 4 and 9, the rule is cyclicity of 2. I will help you understand what is cyclicity of 2. For example, let us take the number 4. Okay, 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of 3, 4 to the power of 4. Okay, let us answer is 4 ones are 4. 4 to the power of 2 is 4 fours are 16. 4 to the power of 4 cube is 64. 4 to the power of 4 is 256. What you have to understand in this pattern is the cyclicity of 2. See, after the two numbers, either the number is 4 or 6. 4, 6. These cyclicity will be repeating infinite times. Okay, so what we have to understand is, if there is an odd number in power, you have to, the unit place will be always 4. Okay, if the even number is in the power place, the number will be always 6. So you have to remember cyclicity of 2. You can see 4 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of 2 is 16, 4 to the power of cube is 64, 4 to the power of 4 is 256. 4, 6, 4, 6. Even if you go 5, 6, 4 to the power of 5, 4 to the power of 6, you will get 4, 6, 4, 6 infinite times. Okay, this is for 4. I will help you understand 9, how to find out 9. For 9, the same thing, cyclicity of 2. 9 to the power of 1, 9 to the power of 2, 9 to the power of 3. 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 cubes are 7, 729, 729. Even here you have to watch it. For every odd number in the 9, the unit place ends with 9. The every even number in the power, the unit name ends with 1. Even here, odd number 9, even number is will be obviously 1. So you have to remember one thing is, if there is an odd number if there is an odd number in the power of 9, unit place of 9, the unit place always ends with 9. If there is an even number, the unit place always ends with 1. Okay, I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you can comment, I will help you understand the Telegram. Okay, now let's move to the cyclicity of 4. It is very difficult part, and I will say what you can do for this part. These two parts, the previous part and this part, is very easy. These 4 numbers lightly difficult, complex, difficult. So I will help you understand. Okay, now let's suppose take the number of 2. 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. Okay, these 4 number. Okay, let us take 2 to the power of 5. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 into 2 into 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32. What I am going to understand, help you understand is, the number 2 after 1, 2, 3, fourth number, proceeding the relevant number after the fourth number, the number is repeating itself. Okay, even see 1 after fifth number, the number is repeating itself. Even after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, even after 10th number, the 2 will be come here. Okay, the same thing we will go to the next table, which is 3. Okay, 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 5. Okay, 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. See, even here the first number is 3, the fifth number is 3. So that's why we call the cyclicity of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. After the fourth number, the fifth number is always the unit place itself. Okay, I hope you understand. Even you can try any of these numbers. This number, you might think it is very difficult to remember. I will say a trick for you how to remember. Before going that, I hope you understand 4 and 9 and the last 4 numbers. Now let's these 4 numbers I will help you understand. Remember this 2, 3, 7, 8. If these types of question come in exam, I will. Okay, now let us see the example of this cyclicity of 4. If these 4 number comes in like this question, what is the unit place of 2553 to the power of 164, 167? What you have to do is the simple thing. You have to ignore these 3 number. Ignore this 3 number. You have to focus only on the last number. Which is the last number? 3. 3. See here, 3. 3 is the last number. 3, keep it one side. Okay. What is the power? 167. 167. Okay. You can understand, right? What you have to do is the cyclicity of 4. You have to divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are 16, 4 40s are 60, 41s are 4 41s are 64. So the remainder is 3. See, 3. The remainder is 3. Always if this number is like this, the remainder will be 0, 1 or 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here the remainder is 3. So what we have to do is take this remainder and put it here. This remainder, put it here. Okay, what is the cube of 3? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. What is the unit place of 27? Is 7. So answer will be 7. Okay, I hope you understand, right? See, first I will explain repeatedly. First you have to see the number. Okay, take this last number. Take this last number, keep it on side. Take this power, divided by 4. You will get a remainder. Take that remainder and place it in the place of unit power. Do the calculation. 3 to the power of cube is 27. 27 the unit place 7. So answer is 7. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Next question is 18. 18 18 to the power of 94. I will say you what is the 18 to the power of 94. What is the unit place of this number? Simple thing. Take the number 8. Take the number 8. 94. 94 divided by 4. 4 tens are 20s are 21, 22, 23. 23 is equal to 92. The remainder is 2. What I have told, take the remainder and place it here. 8 8s are 64. What is the remainder of 64 is 4. So answer will be 4. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's move to the next question. I'll give you with all the examples. The next question is 387 to the power of 63. 387 to the power of 63. What I told 7. I will give 2 examples, 3 examples, 7th example, 8th example. Okay, if this 7 is the number, what I have told, keep 7 aside. Okay, take this 63 number divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 10s are 40. 4 15s are 60. The remainder is 3. What I have told you, take this remainder and place it in the place of power. 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. 343. So the unit place of 343 is 3. So answer will be 3. Okay, I hope you understand. This is the cyclicity of 4. See, this is the, for you, by seeing it you might think it's very difficult question. Most of the people will be judgmental by seeing this question. I will help you understand the simple way. If you haven't watched from the beginning, you can't solve this question. See how to solve this question. What I told you, take this number 4. 4. If the 4 I told you in the cyclicity of 2, if in the 4 any unit place, the digit must be odd. If the odd number is there, see, in 93 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. So what we do is, unit place of this number will be obviously 4. Okay, 5. If you see the 5 always their square or power will be always 5. And 1 always be 1. What is the unit digit of this number? If they ask an exam, for 5s are 20. 20 into 1, 20. 20 into 1 is equal to 20. So answer will be 20. What will be the unit digit of 20 is 0. So answer will be 0. Are you understanding? See, let me understand you once again. This number I have given, you have to watch it video from the beginning so you can understand this question. The last number is 4. In the rule of 4, either the number is odd, or we must check, the power must be odd or even. If it's odd, the 4 will be 4. If the even, it will be 6. Okay, in this case the number is odd, so we will put number as 4. In this case 5, in cyclicity of 5, we have watched that if any number is starting it ends with 5, always the power will be 5. So 5 is the answer. In the same, the 1 is always 1 into 1, 1 into 1 will be 1. So 1 is the answer. So we have to multiply it. For 5s are 20. 20 into 1, 20. 20's unit digit will be 0. So I hope you understand. This was the end of this video. This is the unit digit place for the number system for RBI Grade B. Okay, thank you for watching this video.